Hey folks, how you doing? Hopefully you're all having a great day today. I've got a quick little update for the 3 giveaways that I've got going on for fourth quarter 2020. The first giveaway is over. It was for a Sidekick XL, and the winner of that is Chuck Mardon. I have a video on my second channel, and that's where I always post the videos of me drawing the winner, or randomly selecting the winner. That is on my second channel, JBates2, and basically I just use a random number generator to keep it as fair as possible. And everybody only gets one entry, so you don't have to use all your social media stuff to add entries and all that good stuff. Just one entry per person, no tagging anybody or any of that crazy stuff. So the purpose of this video is to announce the second giveaway, and that is for a Leather by Dragonfly Apprentice apron. Now for the Apprentice apron, you have a couple different options. You can have a size from small all the way up to 2XL, if I'm not mistaken. You have a left-handed or a right-handed version. You have the option of a tape measure clip or a pocket, and of course all of them have the really nice cross bracing in the back rather than having a strap that goes around your neck and pulls you down when you're trying to work, which is so annoying. I've had one of those aprons before. Anyway, Leather by Dragonfly, Patrick and Michelle, they're a really nice couple, and I've worked with them for, well, I've known them ever since I bought my first apron a couple years back, and I really like the products that they're producing. It's nice, high quality stuff. It'll last you so long, and it'll be the most used tool in your shop. This is mine anyway. Every time I come out here to work, it's the first thing that I put on, and I don't like working without it. It's part of me. It's an extension of you in the shop. Anyway, if you want to enter the giveaway, a link is down in the description below. You guys take care. Have a great day, and good luck.